Children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today from our Sunday classes we are going to have a fun quiz. So what's the time? It's time for a quiz. Okay children, ready for that? Now the first question for you is, what only comes down but never goes up? So what does only comes down always? It doesn't go up anytime. What is it? Are you able to see in the picture? Can you guess what is this? Yes, it is nothing but the rain. No, so rain always comes down and raindrops never go up. Okay children, now we'll have the second one. In all months in a year, which month has 28 days or more? See, how many months you do have in a year? 12 months. No. So in all the 12 months in a year, which month has 28 days or more? So which month do you guess? Yes. And the answer is all months in a year have 28 days and more. So probably you will be ready to give the answer February. No? Because February, so some years it has 29 days and some years it has 28 days. But here one common thing is all the months in a year have got 20 days, 28 days. No, definitely 28 days or and more, like 29, 30, 31st also, 31 days also for some months. So now the answer is all months in a year have 28 days and more. Now, the third question, very interesting question for you here. If you drop a yellow hat in the Red Sea, what does it become? If you're going to drop a yellow color hat in the Red Sea, this is the Red Sea. Okay, what does it become? What does this yellow hat become? What is your guess? So the answer is it will not become red. It will not become red, but rather the hat will become wet. Why? Because it was dropped in water. No, it was dipped in water. So the hat will become wet because it is the name of the sea, Red Sea. But the water doesn't have any color. No, the sea water, does it have any color? No. So this is the answer. Clear children? So this is the fun type questions actually here. So what is middle of Paris? What is middle of Paris? See here in the picture you have got a Paris picture, a very beautiful city. No, and you can see the Eiffel Tower here. Okay. So what is middle of Paris? The answer is R. P-A-R-I-S. No, P-A-R-I-S is nothing but in between. What you are having? R, this letter. No. So to the left you are having two letters. To the right you are having two letters. So in between you are having R. So that is why the answer is R. Okay children? Now here. Which word is spelt wrong in every dictionary? Which word? So dictionary is a group of words, so many words where you can get the meaning, where you can get the pronunciation, where you can get the phonetics. No, all this, like how you have to pronounce, no, how what is the meaning of the particular word. So many words you will be having in a dictionary. In this dictionary, so which word is spelt? Which word is spelt wrong? Okay, which is spelt wrong in every dictionary? So what do you think children? What will be the answer? Yes, the answer is wrong. Wrong itself. No, W-R-O-N-G. Here the spelling itself, how do we spell it? As wrong only. So wrong, what else could it be? Clear children? Now here, which is the biggest spider in the world? Which is the biggest spider? So you might have seen spiders, children. So which is the biggest spider in the world? Okay, so and it is, the answer is the tarantula. Tarantula, the name of this particular spider is known as tarantula, and it is believed to live in the Amazon basin. Amazon basin is in South America, children. So this spider is very large, and it is a hairy spider. Okay, and when it bites, it is very painful also. Okay, children, so this is about this biggest spider. Now here another interesting question for you. What animal can run the fastest? Here you are having three animals. Now what are they? An elephant, a squirrel, and a mouse. Okay, what animal can run the fastest? So what animal do you guess it will run the fast, children, at the fastest speed? And the answer is yes, elephant. Elephant. See, actually it is an elephant because it can reach a speed of 40 kilometers in an hour. So in 1 hour, the elephant can reach or can travel a distance of 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers in an hour, which is 25 mph. Okay, so meters per hour, that is. Okay, while the squirrel can reach a speed of 20 mph and a mouse can reach till 7 mph. So when compared to this speed, then elephant can run fast. So this is one fact. Normally we feel that a squirrel or a mouse can run fast. No, but elephants run fast. So the other question for you, children. Which fruit is the most popular and most consumed in the world? Which fruit is most popular and most consumed? So many people prefer to eat this particular fruit, not only in India, throughout the world. So what is this? I hope you can guess it because it is already there in the picture. No, nothing but bananas. Okay, so more than 40 tons of bananas are consumed annually. So in an year, more than 40 tons of bananas are consumed. Okay, are used, or used in the sense are consumed, like people have eaten it. Okay, so banana is the most popular and most consumed fruit in the world. Okay, children. What has a head, a tail, but does not have a body? See how interesting it is. So it has got a head, it has got a tail, but it does not have a body. What is it? What is it? Yes, the answer is a coin. No, see, this is a coin, 10 rupee coin, and this is a head, this is the tail. Okay, on which the symbol is printed, we call that as a head, and on which the number is printed, that we call it as a tail. No, so the answer is a coin. Okay, children, now again one interesting question for you. Let us see who will solve this puzzle. 3 men are on a boat. Okay, listen carefully. 3 men, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 men are on a boat. The boat sinks, but only 2 people get their hair wet. So what happens? The boat is going to sink into the water, but only 2 people get their hair wet. Why? Why is that? What about the third person, children? Can you think about him? Why his head has not get wet? Yes, the answer is The third man was bald. The third man was bald, in the sense bald head. So no hair. The person who is bald will be not having hair on his head. So that is why his hair did not get wet. Clear, children? Now? Yes, now. Here, another question. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? So I am giving you the pictures here, so answering will be very easy for you, I guess. No, I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? I am a soap. No, soap. So as we use it, as we use soap in our bathing, no, then the soap is going to get smaller. Clear, children? Yes, now the other question for you. I think everybody loves to eat this, but this is not good for health. How old is the world's oldest piece of chewing gum? How old is the world's oldest piece of chewing gum? See, like when it was first founded. Okay, the oldest piece. So when was it? It was 9,000 years old. How old is the world's oldest piece of chewing gum? In the sense from 9,000 years old. So one particular chewing gum or any chewing gum so was invented 9,000 years old. And who invented the chewing gum first? It was John Curtis from Portland. Okay, children? Now, here, see, very delicious eatables for you. No? Yes. So, what is the question? Most of the kids love to carry these keys. What are those keys? So, most of the kids, you love to carry these keys. So, what are these keys? Nothing but cookies. No, cookies. Now, what are cookies, children? No, they are just like a small, flat, sweet, which is baked or cooked just like biscuits. No, so we call them as cookies. Okay. Now let us see who will answer this again. What breaks and never falls, and what falls and never breaks? You can ask these questions to your friends and you just see how they will answer. Okay. What breaks and never falls, and what falls and never breaks? Yes, the answer is yes. Now day breaks and night falls. Daybreak is nothing but the sunrise. Okay, children, day that is we call it as dawn. DAWN. Daybreak is nothing but dawn. DAWN. Okay. Night falls is nothing but dusk. 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 Okay, then what is this dawn? What is this dawn? That is the time in the morning. Okay, when daylight first appears, like sunrise. No, early in the morning, when the daylight first it appears, that is called as daybreak. Okay, children. And what is this nightfall? What is this nightfall? The end of the daylight. The end of the daylight and the coming of night. Now, as the end of the the day is going to end, the night will be coming. No, that we call it as night falls. Clear? So in other words, daybreak is nothing but dawn, night falls is nothing but dusk. Clear, children? Got the answer? Yes, now. See here. It goes all over the world but always stay in a corner. What is that? What is that? Are you able to see here in the picture? Something very interesting. And you have got the picture of our father of nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi. So it goes all over the world. It travels all over the world, but always it stays in a corner. What is that? A stamp. No. See, so whenever you want to post a letter, so on the envelope you are going to stick a stamp at the corner. This stamp is nothing but a piece of paper. So with a design which we use as a postal stamp. Okay children, so we are going to put these stamps on letters and we are going to post it in the post office. No. So different countries put different pictures on their stamps. Okay children. So if you want to post a letter to your relative who is staying in abroad countries, then so you will just write a letter, put it in an envelope, and you have to stick the stamp according to that particular country. Okay, so where you have to send, like the rupees, some stamps will be of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, like that. Okay, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So according to the place you have to send, the stamp also will be changing. Okay, according to the destination place. So this stamp is going to travel all over the world, staying in a corner. Okay children, now another question for you. So here you can see a mountain which is covered with snow and ice. No. So which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? What is that? Answer? Nothing but Mount Everest. Okay. Mount Everest children. This is the tallest mountain in the world and it is located in the border of Nepal and Tibet. Okay, Nepal and Tibet. And it is covered with snow and ice, around the year. So anytime if you see this Mount Everest children, you will be always having snow and ice on it. Okay, this is Mount Everest. Now what is this picture here about? That is nothing but the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. No. And the question is, who built the Taj Mahal? Who built the Taj Mahal? See how marvelous it is children. No, it is so well built, very beautiful construction. No. And who built this? Answer is Shah Jahan. Okay. So Shah Jahan was one of the Mughal emperor children. So he built the Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz. Okay children. Then so this Taj Mahal, where is this Taj Mahal? It is on the river bank of Yamuna. Okay, and where is this river Yamuna? And it is in our Indian city Agra. Okay, and this Taj Mahal, it is in ivory white marble. It is built with ivory white marble. Okay children. Now the other question is, next question, what is the largest freshwater lake of the world? So you will be having lakes. No, you have lakes throughout the world, and in that lakes you have got some freshwater lakes. Okay, and what is that freshwater lake? So it is a water body of unsalted water. Okay, the water will not be salt. Normally if you see children, sea water, ocean water, they are salty. Okay, but here if you say freshwater lake, they are unsalted water which are surrounded by the land. The lake is surrounded by the land. Okay, and this we call it as freshwater lake. And what is the largest freshwater lake of the world? And answer is Lake Superior. What is the answer? Lake Superior. Okay, now see, which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? World Environment Day. Okay, so which day? And the answer is 5th June. 5th June of every year is celebrated as World Environment Day, children, and this is United Nations Day. And they celebrate this day as an encouragement of worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. So planting trees, saving trees, then stopping the pollution, so many activities. They are going to spread awareness, and they are going to just see that everybody take action to protect our environment. Okay children, as it is seen here in the picture, so everybody are trying to plant a plant a tree. So 5th June is the World Environment Day. Now, what is the total height of Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai? Burj Khalifa Tower. So Burj Khalifa Tower, this is the tallest tower in the world, children. See, if you see here the other buildings, see the other buildings, how much of height they are? No, these are already so much tall, and if you see Burj Khalifa, it is too height. Okay, and this Burj Khalifa, where it is? It is in Dubai. Okay, so Dubai, we call it as skyscraper. See, the highest skyscraper in Dubai. We feel that this construction or building is going to touching the sky. No, it is too high. Okay, from the land level the construction is too high, so we call it as a skyscraper. Okay children, and what is the height of this Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai? Let us see how much it is. 829.8 meters or 2722 feet. So this is a huge height, children. So that is why it is very famous, and it is the tallest tower in the world. But one saddest thing of this Burj Khalifa is, one fact is, 4 people, they died during constructing this building, children. So it was very sad to know this, but still, so this has got its record in the world. Clear children? So this is what we have learnt through quiz, and we have also enjoyed some riddles. Now, hope you will share all this with your friends. Okay children? So enjoy your holiday, stay well and stay safe. We will be continuing in the next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.